Welcome to Havian Transformational Center. Today, we are going to look at a control of our emotions. We need to look for hidden thoughts, hidden beliefs about events. We are going to look at, are we being rational or are we being irrational? Sometimes, if we believe that must, should, ought is how things ought to go, then we are meant to create a belief that sometimes may cause us behavioral or emotional imbalance. Let's take a case of somebody has not responded to your message, and this person often responds to your message. So you've created a belief that whenever you reach out to this person, they have to respond on spot. Yet, it could be that this person, every time you communicate with them, they are close to their phones, or they have that free time, or they have an answer to whatever you need responded to. So, is it rational for you, therefore, to think that the person has refused to respond to your message because they no longer like you or they no longer value you? Is it rational to think that that person could probably be engaged in some other activity, or the person does not have an immediate answer? So when we become rational in our thoughts, we are going to eliminate negative beliefs that every time an event happens but does not go the way you expected or does not produce the result you expected, it is not because you are a bad person. It is not because the other person is bad. There could be circumstances that have not enabled the person or the thing to go the way you wanted. So this means we are going to eliminate the shoulds, the must, the ought, so that each situation is given its due respect. That means every situation will fold out or unfold in a different way because circumstances are not always constant. You may even greet a person who often greets you back. But in this case, this person probably did not hear your greetings or they did not see you. So you end up thinking that this person is ignoring you or they have issues with you. And this is going to cause us emotional disturbance. So let us be emotionally intelligent so that we are able to control our emotions by looking at ourselves and exactly the way we talk to ourselves. Let the self-talk be very objective. We are talking about objective self-talk so that you may identify, are you probably exaggerating? Are you probably generalizing? Or are you probably oversimplifying the situation? So, emotional self-talk will help us to protect our life emotionally, physically, and spiritually, so that we are going to be very objective when things happen to us. Havian Transformational Center.